Food dehydrators are a convenient and efficient way to preserve and enjoy a variety of foods. There are many products available to choose food dehydrators, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best food dehydrators from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kazori Food Dehydrator. The Kazori Food Dehydrator is a high-quality food dehydrator made of food-grade stainless steel and glass front door. It comes with 6 stainless steel trays, 1 mesh screen, 1 fruit roll sheet, 1 manual, and 1 recipe book with 50 original recipes. The dehydrator is easy to use, with a digital control panel to set the timer in 30-minute increments for up to 48 hours, and accurate temperatures between 95 degrees minus 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The noise level is less than 48 decibels, which makes it quiet to use, and it is dishwasher safe and easy to store. Number 2. Kazori Food Dehydrator for Jerky. The Kazori Dehydrator offers a maximum temperature of 176 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for safe beef jerky making. With 5 trays and 4 presets: jerky, fruit, vegetables, yogurt. You can easily dehydrate various foods to your liking. The rear fan ensures even dehydration, preventing over-drying. Compact in design, this dehydrator fits on your countertop and is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe trays. Enjoy the convenience of a built-in 48-hour timer that shuts off automatically when done. Number 3. Vivohum Electric 400W 8 Trays Food Dehydrator Machine. The Vivohum Electric 400W Food Dehydrator has a powerful drying capacity of 400W, excellent craftsmanship, and a 97% vitamin and mineral retention rate. The temperature and timer function allows users to set the optimal time and temperature for their ingredients. The dehydrator has 8 large-capacity food-grade drying racks, is made of premium materials that are BPA-free. Number 4. Crownful Food Dehydrator Machine. The Crownful Food Dehydrator Machine, also known as the Crownful Dehydrator, is a powerful and efficient kitchen appliance that allows you to easily dry a variety of foods. With 600 watts of power and 360 degrees hot air circulation technology, this dehydrator ensures uniform and efficient drying, resulting in delicious homemade snacks in a shorter amount of time. The adjustable temperature and timer settings, along with the digital touchscreen control panel, make it convenient to set the optimal drying conditions for different types of food. The BPA-free and food-grade stainless steel construction ensures safety and durability, while the removable trays make cleaning a breeze. The dehydrator also features safety measures such as auto shut-off and overheat protection. Additionally, the Crownful Dehydrator is designed with sustainability in mind, winning the IF Design Award 2022 for its eco-friendly features. With a 12-month warranty and lifetime support, this dehydrator is a reliable kitchen companion for healthy snacking without preservatives. Number 5. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator Machine. The Magic Mill Dehydrator is equipped with a rear-mounted fin for even heat distribution, eliminating the need to rotate trays. Its digital thermostat and timer ensure precise dehydration, with automatic shut-off for convenience. The 7 spacious stainless steel trays are adjustable, allowing you to dry various foods simultaneously. Cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe trays. Safety features include...
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.